Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to add a clickable link on YouTube. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to go on our YouTube right here and then click this profile icon right here. So just click it on the top right corner and then click YouTube Studio right there. And once you click YouTube Studio, you will be directed here and then click content and then go to the video that you want to add a clickable link. So let's say for example, this is the video that we want to edit. So just click it and then on the description. So what we're going to do here is to add a clickable link. So let's say for example that we want to add this video right here. So let's use this link as an example. So let's paste it right here. So let's try this for example. Let's remove this HTTPS and then let's add another link which has the HTTPS and then click save right there. And the next thing that we need to go back to our channel. So click our right here and then let's click the video right here. So you can see we now have a clickable link on our description. So once you click that, as you can see right there, we are now directed to our own video. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.